Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile on PC. Playing on a computer offers a larger screen and precise controls, enhancing your gameplay experience. We will explore how emulators bridge the gap between mobile and desktop, allowing you to enjoy your favorite game with keyboard and mouse. This guide will help you set up everything you need for a smooth and enjoyable experience, giving you a competitive edge. Choosing the right emulator is your first step. GameLoop is often recommended as the official partner for Call of Duty Mobile, ensuring optimized performance. BlueStacks is another excellent choice, known for its broad compatibility with many Android titles. Always download from the official website to ensure security and the latest version. The installation process is straightforward, typically taking only a few minutes to complete. Once your emulator is installed, launch it and navigate to its App Store or search bar to find Call of Duty Mobile. Download and install the game just as you would on a mobile device. After installation, spend some time customizing your keyboard and mouse controls. Most emulators offer preset configurations, but fine-tuning them to your preference will give you a significant advantage in combat. Adjusting graphics settings can also improve your frame rate. To ensure the best possible experience, check that your computer meets the recommended system requirements for your chosen emulator. Closing other applications running in the background can free up valuable system resources, leading to smoother gameplay. Regularly updating your graphics drivers is crucial for stability and performance, often providing a 5 to 10% improvement. Finally, a wired internet connection can significantly reduce latency, giving you a more responsive and enjoyable gaming session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.